Hello YouTube. For today's video I have this lightweight iron from Mainstays, and it's a kind of basic model, and you don't have much features, but it's I think around under 10 bucks, and I got it from Walmart. I've been really familiar with Mainstays brand, and I just thought give it a try and see how it goes. And this one particularly has a 1 year warranty. As you can see on the picture, the adjustable temperature dial, and you have autofill feature. It has this transparent water tank, so you know what level water is filled. Very lightweight design with polished sole plate. Has this dry, steam, and spray functions too, and you have this 1100 watts as a total power output. And looking at the back of the box, you can see here just kind of like a basic layout it shows. And let's see what's inside the box. And just regular packaging it has, and this is the body of the iron, and basic user manual we have here that helps you to get up started and how to use it. I usually don't read a lot of manuals, and I'll just give it a try, plug and play, and see how it works. So here's this iron. I really kind of like the way it has this white and orange kind of accent it has, and this charging cord seems long enough for the daily purpose. And this you can see this round uh, like joint over there on the iron, so it kind of swivels when you're pretty much moving your iron. And that's really flexible, so it helps you to maneuver in different direction when you're using your iron, and that way it just doesn't get tangled up while you're ironing your cloths. And I think the button here, you can see plastic button up here, looks sturdy, and for that price, it's really basic design it has. And I really like the way it's really simple to use. And this transparent water tank, it kind of really gives you an idea how much water is left there. And you don't have to really worry about if you're out of the water on the tank. And the handle looks smoother. It's really it doesn't have any grip on the bottom of the handle, but it's kind of light, and you have this button settings there, dial to change the settings for your spray here. The left one is for the steam. You can use the button, and you can use the right button to spray the water. So left for steam and right for spraying water. And I think this is really a beginner's iron. I mean, like, I don't expect to be really good, but as long as it does the job, I should be fine. And this round circle dial, it's really visible on the orange body, and circle, it looks a little bit flimsy. It's not kind of like a sturdy there, a little bit like rugged, but um since it's on the bottom of the handle, it's a little bit hard to maneuver those dial. And on the front you can see here the hole from where the spray kind of water kind of like sprinkles, and here you can see the bottom of the iron plate. And this kind of stands easy on the surface. And I would say I kind of like this design, really simple. Some iron I had previously owned had some issues with the black, some tar remaining on the bottom of the iron plate. And when you iron it right, so that kind of like cause issues when you're ironing your cloths, and you might have some stains on your cloths too, those black marks. And I really wanted to avoid that, but with this beginner level of iron, I don't know whether that's problem going to be resolved. And looking at this dial also, I don't think it's going to last longer, but I'm gonna have to test it for a while. And you have this opening here where you would pour the water to fill the water tank. and I really like the way it's really in front of the iron, so you can just fill it out and just close this lid. And so far, I mean, this it looks really basic, kind of like a shiny design it has. And I'm gonna have to give it a try a lot of times and see how long it lasts. And sometimes the product from Mainstays, they kind of last more than a year or 2 years, 3 years, depending how long or how well you care. And I'm really impressed the way they finish this product with this kind of like a level of quality. And under $10, I think this is a really good buy. And I hope this video helped you to decide.